No soliciting. What does that sign mean? We are going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now today's show is brought to us by housecleaning360.com. So if you are a house cleaner or you're a maid service or if you wash windows for a living or maybe you're a professional organizer, maybe you do house sitting while people are away, this is a place for you to list your business so people looking for services for their home can find you. Housecleaning360.com. All right, now today's question comes from a house cleaner who's starting a business for herself, and she wonders this question.
How you doing, Angela Brown? This is Alexis McIntosh, and I had a question as far as I wanted to get back into cleaning, but just for myself. I wanted to know, can I pass out flyers in apartments? I'm targeting the elderly only. So is it legal to go in the building and pass out flyers door to door?
All right, that's an excellent question. Can you go into an apartment complex and leave flyers if there is a no soliciting sign? Now, the answer to that is lots of apartment complexes and lots of neighborhoods have no soliciting signs in those neighborhoods. So I'm not saying don't ignore those signs. What I'm saying is use your ingenuity and your creativity to make yourself available in those neighborhoods. Now, for example, if there's an apartment complex that your heart is set on, what I would do is I would go to the complex manager and I would ask them up front, hey, would it be okay if I drop a discount for all these different people in these apartments so that they are able to call me for service and that I can help them maintain the property that you're managing? Now, if the apartment manager gives you approval, it's less likely he's going to call security or whomever on you and report you. Now, I don't know exactly what happens to the people that break the no soliciting law. I've never heard of anything dangerous happening to anyone, but it is possible that you might get a nasty letter from the homeowners association or something. I don't know. There could be a fine. I don't know. I've never actually heard anyone that had a repercussion as a result of soliciting in a no soliciting area. But what you do need to do, and this is legal, is you need to get one person from that unit or from that complex that's on your side. So if you were to talk to somebody in passing and say, hey, listen, I'm a new house cleaner in the area and I'm offering a special discount. Can I show you what I'm capable of in exchange for referrals? And there might be somebody that says, yeah, come clean my house for free in exchange for referrals. And then you give them your flyers and they pass them out to all the other people in the complex that they know. So you're not soliciting, they're doing the soliciting for you. They are referring their neighbors that live in the same building. Now, there are apartment complexes that we've worked in over the years. And how we got into those apartment complexes is we cleaned houses for the seniors before the seniors moved to the complex. When they moved to the complex, they took our service with them. Now that we were in there and people saw us coming in and out of the building with our cleaning supplies and our vacuum, and we did bring our own vacuum on this particular occasion because the people were upwards of 80 years. And so we didn't want to use their equipment because it was 20 or 30 years old and it was obsolete and heavy and clunky and whatever. We did bring all of our own equipment in. As a result of that, there were lots of people that were in that complex that would see us coming and going. And so they said, hey, do you mind coming to clean my house as well? And while we were there, it was easy to walk down the hall and do another house. And so in order for us to gain momentum in business in that area, we had people that would hit that whole apartment complex and only stay there for 3 and 4 days at a time. So instead of commuting all over town, you're literally going 2 doors down. You're going around the corner. You're going 1 floor down. And now you have a lot of business in one area. It's a beautiful thing when it happens. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure you do an excellent job and that you have reasonable prices, because a lot of these people are on fixed incomes. And so if they find that your pricing is right and your service is excellent and you are kind to the seniors and you are kind to their pets, you will get more business than you can possibly know what to do with. Now, as far as the no soliciting goes, my suggestion to you would be to ask for permission from the person that is in charge, because it is possible, and we've done this also in neighborhoods that have no soliciting signs. A lot of them have newsletters and bulletins where they will either place your ad for free because they also want to keep up the properties that they're maintaining, or They will charge you a small fee of, say, $15 per ad to put your ad inside their newsletter that goes out to all of the members, and it is approved by management. Now, another opportunity is a lot of neighborhoods have billboards that have glass cases on them, and they have things like Women's Wednesday Night Out or Softball Saturday or something like that, and they're upcoming events. And they will also let you place your ad inside there without hitting every single house in the neighborhood. So again, it comes down to your creativity and your ingenuity to figure out how you're going to get inside that neighborhood, because I don't want you to break any rules and I don't want you to get in trouble, but there are ways around that that are perfectly legal. So no soliciting does mean no soliciting. That means don't be a harassment, don't be a nuisance, but if you have permission and you have people on the inside that are rooting for you, you're in. Alrighty, that's my 2 cents for today, and until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.